Hello, good morning viewers. You are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. And the question said, the side of a rhombus are 10.2 centimeter long. If one diagonal is 8.4 centimeter long, what is the length of the other diagonal? Please, if today is your first time of watching, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also follow me on Facebook at Shabes Online Tutorial. So let us go back to the question. So we are going to start answer this question by saying solution. So they say the side of a rhombus are 10.2 centimeter long. So before we go further, we are going to draw the shape of a rhombus. And the rhombus shape, we have something like this. So this is what we call a rhombus. And the question says the side of this rhombus shape are 10.2 centimeter long. 10.2 centimeter. We have four sides of this rhombus. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. We have four sides of this rhombus. And the question said each side is 10.2 centimeter. So we have 10.2 centimeter, 10.2 centimeter, 10.2 centimeter, and the fourth one is also 10.2 centimeter. So let us go further. I say if one diagonal is 8.4 centimeter long, this is the diagonal. This is the first diagonal and this is the second diagonal. We have two diagonal line inside this rhombus. They say if the one diagonal is 8.4 centimeter. So let's assume this is the first diagonal, which is 8.4 centimeter. So from here to this place is 8.4 centimeter. But since this second diagonal divide it, we're going to divide this 8.4 centimeter. And 8.4 divided by 2, it will give me 4.2. We have 4.2 centimeter here, then 4.2 centimeter. So if you add them, you still get 8.4 centimeter long. And the question is, what is the length of the other diagonal? This is the second diagonal. So we are asked to calculate the length from here to here. So before we can calculate this, if you look at this rhombus here, we can bisect this right angle triangle from here. So let us bisect from this rhombus. We have so this is a right angle triangle. So we bisect from this place. So this place now will be S, and this is 10.2 centimeter, and this place will be 4.2 centimeter. So we are going to find the diagonal of this, then we replace it in our rhombus. So if you look at this, where this S, this is opposite to this angle, and the longest side is hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. So we are going to use what we call Pythagoras theorem to find the area of this angle. And Pythagoras theorem say hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square then plus adjacent square. So substitute this formula. Hypotenuse is the longest side. We have 10.2 centimeter square, which is equal to opposite. This is opposite to the angle, which is S square. It's not given, it's unknown. Then plus the adjacent, which is 4.2 square. So, and remember, we are looking for the value of S. If this is equal to this, I can also say this S square plus 4.2 square is equal to 10.2 square. So making S the subject of the formula, I have S square now will be equal to 10.2 square. Then this positive 4.2 square is going to cross, is going to be turned to minus 4.2 square. So I have S square now will be equal to 10.2 square. It will give me 104.04 minus 4.2 square. It will give me 17.64. So I have S square now will be equal to 104.04 then minus 17.64. It will give me 86.4. And remember, we are looking for the value of S, not S square. So I have S square will be equal to 86.4. To get the value of s, we are going to square both sides. Square both sides of this equation so that this square will cancel this square. So my s now will be equal to the square root of s now will be equal to square root of 86.4, and it's 86 square root of 86.4. It will give me approximately 9.3. So this is the value of s. And 9.3, remember, we find only the area of this right angle triangle from this plane. And the question say we should find the length of the other diagonal, and the diagonal is from here to this place. So what we do is we are going to multiply this by 2 so that we can get the diagonal from this place to this point. So 9.3, 2 times s now will be equal to 2 times 9.3, and 2 multiplied by 9.3, it will give me 18.6. So the length of the other diagonal from this point to this point is 18.6. And remember, we have find area from this place to this place to give me 9.3. So here now my s will be equal to 9.3. Then the second one is equals to 9.3. So if you add the two together, it will give me 18.6 centimeter as the diagonal the length of the second diagonal. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Facebook at Shabes Online Tutorial.